Hey guys, my name's Isak and today I'm just going to be showing you a cool little trick how you can hide your Sonos boxes using plants. Now this works for any kind of music box. All you basically have to do is surround it by plants in a similar color pot. So I have the white box, I'm using white pots, and I'm using orchids here because they're low, so they kind of cover the box but not completely in the front, so I still have the sound coming out well, and they just give a really nice deep green contrast to the box. Also I like the shoots, it kind of creates some interesting distraction to not make the box the focal point of the corner. Now I'm sure you do have a little bit better sound when you mount these guys on a stand or on the wall, but I personally really don't like the aesthetic of it. I like it like this, where you can completely hide all the cables. I mean, I still have kind of a mess with cables in the back because I'm setting up a new saltwater aquarium, but once I have those cables tied in, you're not going to be able to see any cables, and it just gives it a really clean look. And I think it's a cool way of incorporating the boxes into your decoration. It also helps not make it like the focal point of the room, but just something that's heard but not seen too much. So yeah, I hope this inspires you guys to decorate your Sonos boxes with plants around them. You can also do this on a table or so. And yeah, I hope it just inspires you guys to get creative with plants and your music boxes. And I will see you around.